David Moss. We got a eastbound maintenance away train. Got some old goodies on it. C&O. Get the nameplates really good. Here's the first C&O, built in 58. Built in 74. Can't read that. Another C&O. C&O built in 1960. 60 C&O. Couple of Seaboard Coast Lines, including a real nice letter C&O. So it was built in 77. It must be doing some work either farther. It could be in the bay or something, because it might be other work on the old main, but definitely traveling a ways. Seaboard Coast Line gondola. Sure what year that one was built. Built 68, 69. CSX. Seaboard Coast Line conrail. Here Central conrail is that one. A couple more C&O flat cars. C&O. This one's 1659 SPD. Another C&O. Another SPD built in 60. 60 built for SPD. So Connie Rail CR, built 69, 60 Sarah, another 80, New York Central, Conrail, Seaboard Coast Line. There's a Seaboard Coast Line gondola. This is a crown jewel, the Seaboard Coast Line gondola. This is the end of the train. It's David Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and press that hot button.